What do you call a cold penguin? A bird. Stick around to learn how to draw a penguin. First, draw an oval for the penguin's body. Their streamlined body shape allows them to be expert swimmers and go deep in the sea. Next, draw the penguin's flippers. These almost look like airplane wings, but they are specialized for swimming rather than flying. The shape is what allows them to glide through the water and act as the perfect paddle to catch their prey. Now, draw 2 dots for the eyes. Once you're finished, draw a triangle for the beak. We're almost done! Draw a smaller, unfinished oval inside the penguin's body. This will be the penguin's belly. This allows them to camouflage or to hide from predators like seals or orcas while they swim. Last but not least, draw the webbed feet. Just like that, we're all done! Have an ice day! For more directed drawings, head to twinkl.com.